We expect passion and intimacy to flow effortlessly in a marriage, yet many couples find themselves facing a disconcerting reality, feeling more like siblings than lovers. The marital bed, once a haven of intimacy, starts to feel like a space shared out of mere habit. This shift can be disheartening, leaving both partners feeling lonely and disconnected. The very foundation of their union, once built on passion and desire, begins to resemble a platonic friendship. This sense of siblinghood within a marriage is more common than we might think. It's a silent epidemic, often cloaked in shame and denial. Couples hesitate to discuss it openly, fearing judgment or, even worse, confirmation of their deepest fears, that the love they once shared has faded. This silence only exacerbates the problem, allowing the chasm of emotional distance to grow wider. The absence of physical intimacy is often the most glaring symptom of this phenomenon. When sex becomes infrequent or disappears altogether, it's easy to assume that desire has simply dwindled. However, the root cause often lies deeper, entangled with unresolved emotional issues and a gradual erosion of communication and connection. Couples may find themselves trapped in a cycle of resentment, longing, and unspoken pain. So, how do couples who vowed to love and cherish each other end up feeling like roommates or worse, siblings? Life, with its relentless demands, often takes center stage. The arrival of children, demanding careers, and the daily grind of responsibilities can chip away at the foundation of a marriage. Couples become so consumed with their individual roles and obligations that they neglect to nurture their connection. Communication, the lifeblood of any relationship, often falls by the wayside. Couples may communicate logistical information, but stop sharing their inner worlds, their dreams, fears, and vulnerabilities. Without this emotional intimacy, a sense of detachment sets in. The very things that once drew them together, shared passions, intellectual curiosity, playful banter, fade into the background. Unexpressed resentment and unresolved conflict can further fuel this disconnect. Perhaps one partner feels perpetually unseen or unheard, their needs consistently overlooked. Over time, these unaddressed wounds fester, leading to bitterness and emotional withdrawal. The spark of romance, once so easily ignited, becomes increasingly difficult to rekindle. The good news is that this sense of siblinghood in a marriage is not an irreversible curse. It's a wake-up call, an opportunity to reassess, reconnect, and rebuild. The first step, as with any healing process, is acknowledging the issue. Partners need to create a safe space for open and honest communication, free from judgment or blame. Rekindling intimacy requires a conscious effort to prioritize the relationship.